Greetings, fellow gardeners. This is Paul, and check out my Haworthiopsis Limifolia Variegated. Now, it's also sold as Haworthia Limifolia Variegated, and it's not cheap either, and it's pretty hard to find. But you can see why it's been on my wish list for a while. Now, Limifolia means file-leaved. You can see that the leaves are in the shape of a file. And they're beautiful cream, green, and yellow in color. Look at that right there, super cool. Now this one is actually in bloom. I've had it for a few months. And the flowers look like this. The inflorescence is about 18 inches long. So what a cool succulent. Now it will bloom around June with the summer solstice like it is right now. And you can grow this plant indoors. Most people actually do. I'm growing it outdoors in zone 9B, and I'm actually gonna repot it. But I didn't want to do anything until this bloom was done, because you can just see it's so beautiful. Such a cool, lovely little succulent. And the variegation on it is unlike anything else I've really ever. It's different than anything else in the collection. Now provide this plant well-draining soil. Don't keep it wet or it will rot. And I water it once a week, pretty lightly. And it seems really, really happy. So definitely don't overwater it. Give it well-draining soil, and it'll treat you right. You can see again the beautiful little flower. Here it is. And it's also known as the fairy washboard, or the file-leafed Haworthia Variegated. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.